tipos mo na rin.
우리는 오늘 여기서 이렇게 만났는데 이번에 보다 또 모든 사람들이 반기는 훌륭한 결과가 만들어질 거라고 확신하고 또 그렇게 하기 위해서 최선을 다하겠습니다.
Some people would like to see it go quicker. I'm satisfied, you're satisfied. We want to be happy with what we're doing. But I thought the first summit was a great success, and I think this one hopefully will be equal or greater than the first. And we made a lot of progress, and I think the biggest progress was our relationship is really a good one.